guys, today we're going to watch Papapalaban by G22. This is the fan cam OT3 focus cam. Shout out to VC Francisco. Thank you for uploading this video. Let's not waste any more time and let's play the video.
Wow, ang linaw ng camera.
Gusto ko talaga kapag malinaw ang camera. Sarap
Mitzi.
manood pag malinaw ang camera.
Yes.
Ayan, si Althea, ang ganda ng buhok niya, no? Dito sa Papalaban, ang ganda ng hairstyle ni Althea pala. Althea.
Orange.
Yes. Next naman ay si Josh. Si Josh.
Nag-uusap yung dancer saka si Althea. Nakita mo?
Just threw something and she was holding it in her hand. Nakita mo ba? Napansin mo ba?
Yeah.
Now is AJ. Yung mic nila ay sobrang hot. Yes. Walang backing vocals.
Oh.
Wow, it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
The choreography of this dance is so good. I also like their song, because they look like models.
Angat na angat.
Come on. AJ is the one rapping. And it's also my favorite when it comes to rapping because she's really good at it.
Yeah. Me too.
And si Josh din. May pagkarap yung part ni Josh, diba?
Yes.
Yung chorus part ba yun or hindi naman? Or refrain ang tawag?
Verse.
Wow!
Sumasabay.
Yes, in that part they really go in all out with their moves. You need to have super high energy here because it's on a whole different level. Wow. And the way AJ placed her hand in their head then, in her head and shake, it really hits hard.
Yeah.
Ang sobrang cool niya. And Althea voice also sounds so good.
Yeah.
Even while she's dancing, kasi talagang
Wait lang. May maingay.
may maingay.
Yung okay, go.
I could still hear her clearly. Kudos to her kay kay Althea.
Yeah.
Kasi ibang klase din siya magsayaw dito. And si Josh din, ayan, bumibirit si Josh.
Bumaba!
And, wow, they really go down the stage,
Oh, tumatakbo!
Yes.
Ang bilis ng takbo!
And Althea's walking on the other side. And AJ sa other side din, hindi sila magkakasama. Ayun, ang galing naman. They're on different parts of the stage. That's amazing. It's really so nice.
Napakabilis tumakbo ni Josh!
And wow, it's already over. The performance here really left me wanting more.
Yeah. Bitin, diba?
Okay, now, ako muna magsasalita.
Yeah.
About the whole performance, honestly, that was such an intense and high energy stage. The choreography was sharp and powerful. Especially considering they were wearing, hawak nga pala nila yung mic nila.
Oo.
Yun nga. Tapos, you could hear how challenging it was. Siyempre, di ba, nagsasayaw ka, tapos kumakanta ka ng live. But they still deliver stable focus and their good outfits look absolutely stunning. Maganda yung pagka-post mo dyan.
Yeah.
They really look like first models on stage. The dancer then, kudos, also added so much to the overall vibe. You could really feel the synergy between them and the group. And si AJ din parang yung pagsasayaw niya kanina talagang sobrang, para siyang robotic style na, kasi ganun talaga siyang gumalaw. Yun yung ano ko sa kanya, yung nakikita ko sa kanya. And yung ano din niya, yung strong din ang rap part na sa line niya, which I totally love. Just had a great moment then during the chorus. And Althea, yung boses niya talaga is stay clear even while dancing hard. She even walked dun sa gilid pa, no? Malayo din yung kanilang nilakad. And ano pa ba masasabi ko? And just like that, it ended. Bitin talaga, they left us wanting more, which is yes?
Wait lang. Maingay. May maingay.
Okay, ano maingay?
Go.
Okay, yun yung sinasabi ko, they left us wanting more, di ba?
Yeah.
Which is a great sign of a solid performance. Overall, amazing stage from G22.
Ako naman. Yung stage presence ng G22 is just incredible. I got goosebumps just watching them come on stage. I can only imagine how amazing it would be to see them live. Baka mahimatay pa tayo nun, di ba? Watching a live band is always great, and G22's live vocals are amazing. Alphea's voice faltered a bit, but you wouldn't notice because they're so talented. And yung dance breaks nila, wow, they're so sexy and beautiful.
Yeah.
At yung rap ni AJ, her voice is so deep and clear. Let's also appreciate the dancers. They're incredibly skilled and amazing on stage. Therefore, I give it a score of 1 out of